Alright, so if you clicked on this video, it's either you're wanting to boost the speed of your slow as laptop, or you're just a friend watching my videos to support the channel. Either way, welcome to the video where I give you the only 2 tips you need to hear if you want to boost the overall speed of your computer. Let's go. This is a 7-year-old HP 650G1, also known as my personal computer. Believe it or not, I've been working on this for almost 2 years now. So this came with the Intel Core i5. I don't really know what generation this is. 4 gigs of RAM, which I later upgraded to 8 gig because why not? You saw it coming. Half a terabyte mechanical hard drive and the regular Intel integrated graphics with just 128 megabytes of dedicated video memory. If you don't know what all this means, just know that this laptop is slow as. So my last few videos took around 1 to 2 hours and a half to actually export, and they were just 1080p videos. So yeah, this laptop is very slow, but I could whine all day about how slow this laptop is, but I really don't want to waste anyone's time, even if I know I already have. So how can I speed up this slow potato? Or in this case, how can you? Tip 1, which is like a cheaper option, is to literally kill startup apps and background apps. Here's how you do it. Alright, so screen recording Danny here, and quickly I'm going to show you guys how you can speed up your computer from Windows itself. So basically what you have to do first is go onto your search and then search for background apps. This, and when that's loaded, you're going to see apps that actually run in the background. I left my on. You can basically go one by one. If you still want them to work in the background, you can go one by one, but I have decided that I'm going to leave mine on because I have an SSD already. For you who has like a regular mechanical hard drive, you might actually want to turn this off. I'm going to leave mine on, or you could just go individually and turn off the ones you don't need. So secondly, you want to go back to your search and then start up apps. So now you're going to see a ton of apps that are already on your computer that actually have an impact when you actually boot your PC itself. So you see Autodesk, because I'm an architecture student, so Autodesk has high impact. If you have an HDD, I think standard mechanical drive, you might want to turn them off so that your laptop can be a little bit, or your PC can be a little bit faster when you actually boot it up next time. The only thing I turned off here was Twitch because I don't actually need it regularly, but I left Spotify on, I left every other thing on. So yeah, that's basically all you do from Windows itself. And yeah, back to the video. But if you try any of this and your PC is still kind of slow, you might want to consider the next option, which is tip 2, get a solid state drive, aka SSD. So for anyone who doesn't know what an SSD is, it's basically a faster storage. You see, standard mechanical hard drives have this kind of like spinning discs.
Spinning what?
Oh my god, Imam. So you see, standard mechanical hard drives are known to have spinning disks built into them. So basically when you start up your computer or search for an app or something, the mechanical hard drive has to spin to find whatever it is you asked for, including booting up the system itself. But SSDs, on the other hand, have 0 moving parts, literally no moving parts at all, which means it's a lot faster since all your data is just there ready for you and doesn't have to spin to find anything. And unlike common mechanical hard drives, SSDs have very low, if not 0 chances of you losing all your data and files, because yeah, they're pretty secure and fast. And I think I'm rambling at this point, but you get the gist.
You don't get it.
If you don't get it, forget about it.
Currently, I've had to replace my standard hard drive 3 times before finally settling to get an SSD replacement. But truth be told, SSDs are very expensive. So please save yourself from future or even current frustration and get an SSD. Modern laptops already come with SSDs, more reason why they are actually very expensive. But if you have a slow and old potato like I do, getting an SSD will be one of the best and cost-effective investments / upgrade you make to your PC. So yeah, that's been it. The only 2 tips you ever need to boost the speed of your slow computer, and I mean it. Leave a like if you liked it, subs if you loved it, as Dave would always say. Anyways, catch you guys next week.